In the whole world, in every house, people are watching TVs every day for long hours. But some people may think how this device has been created and shaped like this, how it is performing like this, and showing everything within itself. Today we're here to find out the answer to such questions and more. So, stay with us until the end. The adventure begins at the very doorstep of this high-tech facility. As you step through its vast, meticulously organized halls, you're welcomed by an orchestra of precision and energy. Here, advanced machinery works hand-in-hand with skilled technicians, each dedicated to turning raw components into the smart TVs that transform our everyday experiences. Every corner of this factory is a testament to modern engineering, where cleanliness, calibration, and constant innovation ensure that perfection is the only acceptable benchmark. At the core of every great television lies an immaculate display panel. The tale starts with glass, a material as pristine as a blank canvas. In ultra-clean rooms, where even microscopic particles are banished, specially prepared glass undergoes rigorous treatments and coating processes. Layers of liquid crystals or OLED compounds are meticulously deposited, each aligned with pinpoint accuracy to produce the vibrant, lifelike images we take for granted. This process ensures that every pixel delivers unmatched clarity and color fidelity, a foundation upon which all the magic is built. Next comes the element that transforms this glass canvas into a glowing masterpiece, the LED backlighting system. High-powered light-emitting diodes are expertly mounted behind the display, each arranged in precise arrays. These LEDs are paired with specialized light-diffusing films or plexiglass layers that scatter light evenly across the entire panel. This isn't merely a step in assembly. It's the process that gives every image a burst of vibrancy and depth. The careful calibration of brightness, color temperature, and even thermal management ensures that your viewing experience is as brilliant as it is consistent, whether in a dim living room or under a bright sun. While the display and light bring the image to life, the TV's casing gives it a soul. Using high-pressure plastic injection molding machines, sleek and durable front panels, side frames, and back covers are formed to exact dimensions. These parts are not only designed with aesthetics in mind, but with structural integrity that protects the sophisticated internals. After the molding process, each component is carefully trimmed, polished, and inspected. This attention to detail guarantees that the final product is both a visual delight and a robust piece of technology, a perfect union of form and function. Peel back the outer shell, and you encounter the marvel of miniaturized engineering, the internal electronics. Here, the magic happens on a microscopic scale. Robotic arms and precision pick-and-place machines meticulously arrange components on circuit boards. Microprocessors, memory modules, connectivity chips, and other vital elements are soldered in place using high-speed wave soldering machines and reflow ovens. This stage is a blend of art and science, where every tiny solder joint and component placement is critical. It's in this assembly that the smart TV gains its remarkable abilities, from streaming high-definition content to connecting seamlessly with your smart home devices. Beyond the hardware lies the soul of the smart TV, its operating system and smart software. After the physical assembly, each television is connected to a dedicated test station where its digital brain is ignited. Whether it's an Android-based system or a proprietary platform, the software is loaded with features that bring interactivity, voice control, and network connectivity to life. Operators run comprehensive diagnostics to check Wi-Fi performance, app responsiveness, and even voice command accuracy. This critical phase ensures that every unit isn't just a functional screen, but a portal to a universe of entertainment and connectivity. Quality control here is as much an art as it is a science. Every smart TV endures a battery of rigorous tests, ranging from electrical performance checks and pixel uniformity inspections to environmental stress tests. Automated vision systems scan for even the tiniest defect, while experienced inspectors verify color accuracy, sound quality, and connectivity. Temperature and vibration tests simulate the conditions that your TV might face during shipping and use. It's this uncompromising commitment to quality that guarantees each smart TV emerging from this factory is a paragon of excellence, ready to transform your living space. Behind the scenes, the story of smart TV manufacturing is one of global collaboration. The journey of your TV begins not only in this state-of-the-art facility, but also across a worldwide network of suppliers and innovators. From semiconductor components and precision screws to high-quality plastics and complex software modules, each element is sourced from different corners of the globe. This interlinked supply chain is a marvel of modern logistics, balancing speed with quality and sustainability. It's a testament to how international cooperation and technology can come together to create products that are truly greater than the sum of their parts. With every test complete and every circuit verified, the journey nears its triumphant conclusion. In the final packaging stage, care and craftsmanship converge yet again. Each smart TV is manually inspected, and its components are securely packaged using specially designed, eco-friendly materials. And that was how your TVs that you watch every day are reaching your hand. If you enjoyed the video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to see the more interesting creation processes.